Hey guys, David Fearon here again. Welcome to this training. Now, this training is sort of like the second time I've done this. I created a set of trainings for Warrior Plus where I show you exactly how to get your product online, and that was like I think it's like 6, 7 videos, and I just thought there's a couple of tips and tricks which I missed out, which could save you probably a couple of hours or even just half an hour maybe here and there, which it just makes things a little bit easier. And I sort of skipped over those originally. So I thought I could just come back and we'll just go through it again, but it's incredibly easy to do. So I'm actually logged into my Warrior Plus account now. I'm not going to go through how to actually create a Warrior Plus account in this training. I may throw it in later if you guys request it, but it's incredibly easy. If you know how to create a Facebook account, you know how to create a Hotmail account, if you know your way around the internet, you're going to be able to create a new account on Warrior Plus, okay? So let's jump in there. So yeah, we're in Warrior Plus right now, at warriorplus.com. So I'm actually going to come over to the vendors over here because I'm an affiliate as well, obviously. But today we're going to actually be a vendor. So click on vendor, and it's quite early in the day at the moment, and I've not mailed out today, so no figures there at the moment. But we're actually going to come over here. I'm going to actually click on create an offer. So I'm going to click on create an offer. I'm going to come over here and say new offer. So what I'm going to do, I've already had like a previous test training one, so I'm just going to call this test 2. I'm just going to call it example test, example text I should say. So in here you'd put a short description, 512 characters max of what your offer is going to be all about. In here you get to sort of select like which category it is. So I'm just going to put on I'm just going to put affiliate marketing for now. You can put 3 up in there. Keywords, I'm going to put let's just put in product creation. There you go. So that appears product creation or product creation. Let's call it product blueprint. Actually, that's a good one. And so this offer, this image here is going to be. I just normally use my box art, and then I just resize the box art to 125 pixels by 125. So I'm just going to click on select the. Let me get rid of that box. And let's see where I've actually stored that. So let's throw that address into there, and there we go. So we've got 125 there. So yeah, pictures there. That's ready. Don't want to make it public yet because we're actually just creating it at the moment. So I'm just going to click on create there. Okay, step 2. So sales page URL. So I'm just going to hit pause. I'm going to grab one of my old sales pages. I'll throw that in there. And I'll be back with 1 second. Cheers, guys. Okay, I'm back. I've just pasted in one of my old sales pages. So again, this is just an example. I'm not going to make this ever make this live. So WSO post if one of those is associated. So if you're on the Warrior forum, this is where you would sort of connect that post in there. But I'm very, very light on content on the Warrior forum. It has its purpose, but I've never really needed to use it. In my experience, the way I've run my business, I've never really dipped my toes into the Warrior forum. So yeah, you just leave that as blank. Warrior Plus default as the checkout banner. Leave that. That's absolutely fine. We're not going to bother with pre-launch options now. I just want you to, especially this is your first product, I just want you to race through this and not get stuck with the nitty-gritty of actually getting into the real depth of some of the things you can do with the Warrior Plus platform. And yes, we want to allow affiliates. So here you'd put like a short little bit of information for your affiliates. So I'm just going to put example text again. But yeah, you're obviously going to fill this out with a little bit more information, let's say. So example text, JV page URL. Again, that's optional. I'm going to leave that blank for now, just because we don't actually need to do that. And again, you can just literally, if you could hit up your JVs just with, hey, here's a sales page, here's where you apply. You might not actually need to do a JV page, depending on how you're running your business. Completely up to you. Affiliates updates. So this is where you could actually connect in your Aweber, your get response, your email list. So I have a dedicated email list within my Aweber. Sorry, a dedicated JV list, a list of JVs which have promoted for me in the past. So that's a very specific list. They only get certain information. You obviously never ever mail out offers to your JVs. Very, very bad idea. But this will be for like launch updates, competition updates, sales updates, EPC updates, things like that. So Affiliate Program Accelerator, allow Warrior Plus to promote, feature your affiliate program to get more affiliates. So we obviously want to do that. We want Warrior Plus, we want the Warrior Plus guys to help us out. So yeah, we've called it, I think it was test 2. Sales page goes in there. Don't bother with the WSO post, completely up to you. Leave checkout banner as blank. Pre-launch option, we don't need to bother with that for now. Allow affiliates on. Fill in your example text there. If you've got a JV page, throw that in there. Connect your Aweber account or get response within there to your JV list. And again, always remember never to email your JV's offers. Very, very bad idea. Very, very looked down upon, let's say. And of course, we want Warrior Plus to help us out. So check this to on. Hit create, and let's see where we're up to. Okay, offer is not yet active. That's absolutely fine. And yeah, so that's excellent. So basically what we're going to do on what you'll see on this page as we go along is this will be built out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create like a 3-product funnel, which will be your main page, an upsell, and another upsell as well. What I won't do is add downsells to the upsell, because I think that it's obvious how you do that. But within this training right now, we're just going to concentrate on, let's just get a front-end product, an upsell 1, and then an upsell 2, an upgrade 1, upgrade 2. So basically all it is we've created an offer. Now we have to add individual products to that offer. It's something I wasn't too clear about in the last bit, which is hence me redoing this training. You create an offer and then you add individual products to your offer. So we've created the offer. Now we actually have to go away, create the products, and then we add the products to this offer. So this would be add product, add product, add products. You know, we've got our three-step funnel there. So very, very easy to do. So our offer is made. So I'm going to wrap that video up there. That's part 1 of the training of getting your offer online. So very, very easy. Just go back and watch the training again, and I'm sure you will be absolutely fine. So I'm going to hit stop and